Hello, I'm back with the spreadsheet open. It took several time, took like maybe 7, 8 minutes. Here, so I have the spreadsheet that I will process the information. Here it's the data that it's linked with the extracted items. I just repeat here to have it on the same way and on, on on the same way and to have it handy. Here it's about the image that I also showed. Here it's about the tech spec, the technical specification of every item. And here is where I start processing some informations. Here I copy back the name. Here it's about the stock. Here it's about the item if it's new or not. Here many default information, but I need these like quantity, status, and so on. Here there's some mistakes not relevant now. Here it's some info that I need also fill. As well here I work on the categories. As well I link the SKU and I have here some names. Here is where I make the most of the math. I make here the calcs. After I have many calcs here is all that is new info that I just processed. Here is the cost of the freight. I have many items here that I use the lookup function to find some information. I have here my reference as well. I have here. So what happens when I have this calcs? My first point, I need to have some warnings if I don't have, let's say I don't have the weight here. I have a warning here, weight info is missing, and so on. If I have the same SKU, I need to know. If there is no SKU, I need also know, and many needs. As soon I finish that, I have in a different spreadsheet that I link again some information to make the spreadsheet a little bit lighter. Here it's the final information that I will need. I have exactly 200 columns. It goes from A to G something. As you can see here, this is images, this is text spec, images now. It's go until GS. And here I have my first need. What happened here? I have made this update here. I have worked. One of the things I change the names, sometimes names here is like Nikon Ocular, and I will change the name to Ocular Nikon. Here it's Vivitar Binocular, and here you see it's Vivitar for birding classing binocular. I need to change to make it on the same way. Here, the correct way is binocular Vivitar, and so on. What's the point here? Okay, let's say that I work with that. I have made some order here. I put the brand. I can change the names here. But let's say in few days I need to make an update or something. When I go through this update, I will need to make all from scratch. This is a big issue. Let's say that I have changed this now here, and when I will make the new extraction, I will receive the not corrected name. So it's very important that I need to have this registry. I need to have some price history. I need to have some price changes. I think maybe some part in Excel. and after some part process it in Access or some database, MySQL or something like that. With that, I need to work with this. Here, I have a lot of redundant information that I go through many times. I need to make it lighter. I need to make simpler. And here I have a big issue. Not only is very slow when I update, but if I make some copy paste, if I miss one line, if I have a small error, I have all my data is compromised. I can't trust on the data. So far with that, I spend a lot of time processing the information. Let's say here I have some items with no price. I have some items with no weight. I need to make many things manually. And also after it's ready to import, when I just copy paste and I paste in a simple way the spreadsheet for import, that's actually here. No, actually it's not here. Yes, that's it. What happens that even with that, the spreadsheet is long and it's and I can have many mistakes. Here it's everything that here I will copy paste like this, copy, and in the new spreadsheet, just for example here, I will paste only the results. Copy. I'll go here, and you see how it's slow. You see here, I click and it takes sometimes. You see here, I will just copy add the values. With that, the spreadsheet will be lighter and a little bit faster. I don't have a bad computer. It's an i7. It's an i7 core with 8 gigabytes memory, but sometimes it takes 2, 3, 4 hours just for for small updates. I have some tricks, but I want to make this more efficient. I want just to have something really direct. I would like to learn as well. I need to improve my Excel skills, and I also would love to learn some Microsoft Access or some different database. I have used that many years ago on the 80s, and I'm sure the technology is very new, and I don't remember a lot of that long away time. This is a very summary. I'm open for your ideas. I open for your suggestions, and I hope to have a solution as soon as possible. For now, accept my deeply gratitude and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your interest, and thank you for your attention. Regards. Bye bye.